Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. So I'm gonna draw different kinds of flowers today in our video. So let's go to the first flower I'm gonna draw is a beautiful sunflower. So here again a petals and the leaves has been drawn. Let me put some shade with the yellow color and the green color. Let's move on. So I'm drawing an art again, one more inner circle. So here I'm drawing a rose with a leaf with a brown stand, and here is a leaf has been drawn. Let me put some shades to this rose with a red and with a green sketch. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing one U and a light of cups, and then again using a leaf and then drawing one more leaf inside the rose and shade with the pink and the green. Let's take some circles and again draw different types of petals, and here's a beautiful lotus has been drawn. So and the leaf has been drawn with a small tulip. Let's shade with the pink color shade of this lotus. Lotus always floats on water. So here's a beautiful lotus where a butterfly is standing on the lotus. Let's shade with the pink color shade with a sketch and with a green color leaf. Slowly outline has been sketched. So here's a beautiful lotus that is being sketched with the leaf and the butterfly with the blue color. Let's move on. Again I'm drawing a circle, then put a triangle and then draw a rose. So this is an easy way to draw a rose, right? So here let me put some shade of red and green color. So I'm gonna draw different shape of cloud. First drawing a cloud and drawing a petals and then drawing a leaves. So then put me shade some pink color and a leaf has to be shaded with a green color. So here's a beautiful flower with a blossom. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a V and then drawing a petal. Then I'm drawing a leaves. Shade them with a pink and the green. Let's draw a big circle, draw eyebrows and the eyes and then a smiley face. Here again we are drawing a beautiful sunflower with the petals and then drawing a leaves with the inner lining of leaves. Let me put some shades to the leaf where a plant is grown within a vase or a pot. So again I'm drawing a rose with a leaf. So let me put some shades to this rose with the red and green color leaf. Again one more rose has been drawn. Here we are using two kinds of roses. Let's shade them this type of roses with red and green color. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a petals of flowers slowly one by one, and then I'm drawing a big brown color stand of the rose where it's grown, and then let me put some shades to this petals and a green shade to the leaves. So here's a beautiful flower. Let's draw some 3 cups, and again I'm drawing one more roses with the 3 triangle. Connect them roses and then draw the petals, draw the leaves and then shade them with the pink, blue and the green. Let's move on. Draw circles and draw with horizontal and vertical. Draw beautiful sunflower, then draw the leaves and then shade them.